Test, test. So this is the settings now. Indicator, integrator. Anyway, what's this anyway? What's this? And here this is the settings. I don't know if it's visible or not. So X1, this is the gain. And yeah, this is the settings now. And I would like to show you something. I know you are not speaking in English, but I try to not say too complex things. So here are the reset button. First I did reset. At the same time I can see the camera anyway, so okay, 0 now. See, about 0. And I don't know if it's visible or not, but when I'm touching, check this one. You see? It's quite in, but come on. 0 again, just my hand. My hand again. Yeah, it's doing something, but so this is my hand, and much powerful when I'm touching this thing, but it depends on when I. It doesn't matter where I'm touching, it seems, but I have some metal something. Here are the iPad, but this is metal, in theory. Let's see what was doing. Let's see. Okay, but if I'm not touching, stopping there, more or less. This is the electric charge just, or what's this? I don't think this is the simple electric charge. Let's try out. No, this is not just a simple electric charge. Actually, it doesn't matter. This is the left torsion now. If I'm touching, what I have. So I'm holding just here. And I will touch the generator. Okay, it's interesting. And I'm not touching. Slowly going back and then touching. Haha. Okay. Again, I will touch. Amazing. Just amazing. And I try to charge myself, my hand, in the shoe, you know, shoes, format, nothing, absolutely nothing. Oh, okay. You see? Oh, come on. 0, I would like to get the 0. And then, and again I will touch just, oh, if I touching the it's interesting because this is why interesting. I am not touching the generator. Just near. My hand is near to the generator. You see? Oh, it's interesting. What the hell? That means I think it's so strong. Anyway, it's really cool. But let's see the different torsion. Now the torsion is opposite side in theory. No. But the effect is also so strong. Okay. Okay. Now I will just let here. I'm doing nothing now. Nothing. So it's quite stable. Let's say. Slowly. It's so strong. But visible. So I will have to show you in the camera, but it's not so easy to handle both things, the camera and the, you see? Come on, 0, yeah, fine, just slowly. I'm not touching. How, I don't know, how big is the sensitive area? This is the question. So I try from half a meter now. So I am from the about half a meter. It seems here is the opposite side is the field, or in the field something, and the nearer, so I will touch as soon as the, come on, about 30 centimeter, 20, see, back, 40, come on, 40, half a meter, and I want to touch the sensor now, and it's increasing, you see. I have not a lot of time for this one today. Try to this, how it's working. But I say it's quite amazing. Actually, it's not electric field. It's not electromagnetic field. Because I tried to catch the waveform from the oscilloscope and from the, you see, I have one spectrum analyzer, and it's not really visible. I can see nothing. It seems this device is not turned on. It seems. But actually, it's turned on. But I can see every difference in the spectrum analyzer. Nothing. Just this one. It's working, it seems. And this is not just simple electric charge. I think this measures the wavefront difference between these two plates. The waveform difference, not? Yeah. Good toy. It's really well, yeah. I can say, just amazing. And turn off, you see, it's stable. In the off state, and when I'm turning on, and I pushing the reset button, just as always, and it's going to 0. Fine, and doing nothing. And what if I will turn off? So now it's off, it's turned off. And let's see what happening. Half a kilo or more. So same, you see. Let's say it's electric charge. Then I discharge now, so has no charge. It's sure has no charge at all. It's 100%. And now, or not a lot, I just try to touch. Same effect. Also same effect happening when it's turned off. Let's just remove the charge cable. It's removed. By touching, everything is discharged now. Let's see what's happening. Oh, 0. Coming back to 0. Okay. Same. What if I putting to the chair, so it's not in the near this stuff. I try to. What if this is just my hand? Basically, I say 0. This is just my hand now. Let's try out. It's turned off. Has no charge. This hand, my hand, is now 0. I try to touch. Same effect happening. Same, absolutely same. So this is not just my hand. You see? I'm touching now. Again, I will touch. Just, yeah, so first my hand going to 0. This is the reference point now, my hand. Reference point is 0. And I try to touch. You see? What if I say my hand is reference point and is 0, and I will touch just the desk? Oh. Come on, 0. It's faster. Reference point 0. I will touch the generator. I try to touch. I not touched. I just try to touch. Okay. Put back to the chair, or I don't know. I have some place here. Just dropping there the generator. So the generators are not in the nearest. Reference point to the 0. And I just moving something, just, you know, electric charge. It's not a lot. But if I'm moving so slowly, just so slowly, it's same happening. But the question is, the torsion fields still are here, or this is just some electric discharge, or what's this? Let's try out in a different way. But how? Here on my desk, in different point, basically. This different location. Okay. Now, and will be reference point is my hand. Okay, and I don't know. I'm removing my hand. Okay, let's see in different way. Back to the generator. And let's say I will turn on. And oh, just you can see. So here will be the 0 somewhere. And slowly just try to get something still. So it's 0 and back to here. Yeah, it's interesting. If I just touching the desk, what's happening? Nothing. You hear? I'm touching the desk, so it's not electric charge. It's something different. The next step will be to connect this device with to the spectrum analyzer, and let's see what's happening. Maybe just tomorrow, because I can create a video for YouTube to sell the devices, to make some money. But it's interesting. Again, let's say 0, my hand. Actually, the English is not the best language, myself as well. Okay. Maybe my bioenergy field is not the weakest. A bit strong. But well, what if say the gain? Well, okay, stronger. Just check. Too sensitive the device. It's too sensitive. It's really. Same. I don't know what's the X30. So what's this? But okay, now it's not really sensitive, but sensitive enough. This is the 30 times, means 3 times and 30 times the gain. But this, I don't know, the velocity, it's quite similar and interesting because if I touching just the okay. I touching now and I try to get back to 0. I'm not. Oh. Back to 0 when I touching. Release. Immediately. It's not easy to measure. But it's turned on now, it's turned on. It's not easy to measure because my biofield, it seems it's not so weak. It's a bit strong. Oh, oh, okay, you see? Now it's getting more interesting. And what if, you see in the video? Yes, you see. Oh, it's going back to... Oh, the camera. And I am not touching. So this is not my field now. I will touch just this one, or here. It's even faster. I'm not touching. Then it's going back. And I will touch just the desk now. Nothing. Still nothing. So it's not the heat, not the charge. And now, boo, it's going back. I will switch the torsion type or field type or what. Oh, this was too much. Okay, again, maybe my hand. Not a lot. I will touch. Interesting. Oh, 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 oh. And I'm not touching. It stopped. Just the desk. My hand. Just some charge. Nothing. It's not the electric charge. Not the heat. It's really strong. And I will now disable disconnect. It's not running, has no charge. Okay, it's discharged. Let's see now. go back to 0. And what's this? Ooh, not bad, not bad. Not bad, guys. It's not bad. It's not my hand. Not. Oh, it's a release. Okay. It's not directly charged. Touching. And it's turned off. And it's going back. I will touch again. I'm not touching. My hand, it's nothing now. I'm touching the top. Who? Interesting. How sensitive is this thing? It's really sensitive. Okay. And it's quite cold. It's not too heat, not too hot. It's cold. Yeah, I think it's enough for today. It's almost half an hour. So, yeah. And what if I switch it, it's turned off again. It's not, has no charge at all. It's discharged completely. It's discharged, has no charge. And I will just switch the torsion type. Now, torsion pulsation, maybe. My hand command is 0. Okay, my hand is 0. I will touch. Basically. The speed, the reaction time, the velocity, it's quite similar. It's almost same. I want to come on, it's 0. I want to be 0. And then I will just, yeah. It's 0. It's not my hand. Ooh, okay. Just near my hand. Just, I'm not touching. I'm not touching. Again. Let's see just my hand. Again. This is just my field. Here. Okay. And nearly here. The top. And then my hand. And I try to touch. It's not touched. Just I want it to touch. So here are around some really strong field, and it reflects my fields. It's biological fields and any other fields is just as a mirror. Interesting. Okay, but really, for today it's enough.